Shalom and welcome back to Hebrew with Ben. In this lesson, we are going to be talking about the Segol Nikkud sign. Segol is represented by 3 dots underneath the letter. Since a different Nikkud sign called Kibbutz is also represented by 3 dots, we can remember Segol by the upside-down triangle shape it resembles. Let's see some examples. The word on the screen starts with the letter Alef. The letter Alef is decorated with Segol. Let's read the word together. Etmol. Etmol. You can hear the letter Alef with Segol. It creates the E sound. Next, we have a word with double Segol. The first letter Mem and the second letter Lamed are decorated with Segol. It is pronounced Melech. Melech. A short aside. Some of the Hebrew Nikkud signs have 2 variations. The first is what we call the full form, and the second is the missing form. I showed you an example of this variation in the Cholam lesson. The reason I'm telling you this is because Segol can sometimes be followed by a mother of reading. That creates a Segol Maleh or a full Segol. Now, this combination of Segol and a mother of reading is happening only in certain patterns, pronouns, and verb types. It is not as common as other Nikkud signs with 2 variations. That is why we are not going to dive deeper into the topic. You don't have to look for it in a word, just keep that in mind in future reading exercises. Let's continue with another phrase that should be familiar to you. The phrase on the screen is Bokeh Tov. Bokeh Tov. The letter Kuf is decorated with Segol and becomes Ke. Let's quickly summarize Segol. Segol looks like 3 dots underneath the letter, arranged in a shape of an upside-down triangle. It indicates the vowel E. In some patterns, you may see a Segol Maleh. It is not so common. In the next lesson, I will show you Chataf Segol, the third and last Chataf Nikkud in Hebrew. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson.